So what is a prototype? A prototype is a fake version of your app that you can show other people to get feedback. It should give users a sense of how your app works, even though it may not do much. So if you start from your app's goals and features, creating a prototype can be fun. It actually helps your users to understand the functionality of your app without writing a single line of code. Lesson 2.2, streams. Text is everywhere. You'll find on billboards, on social media, on bills, and on cereal boxes. So it should come as no surprise that text is just a vital part of programming. In this lesson, you'll learn about how to create and store text using the string type. You'll learn a variety of string methods that allow you to compare two strings together. What are you going to learn? You're going to learn how to declare a string, how to compare two strings, and how to access particular characters with a string. Let us go to the next page. In a previous lesson, you printed the iconic hello world string. You created hello world by stringing together a collection of characters. Swift's strings are represented by the string type. And the most common way to define one is by using a string literal. A string literal is a raw representation of a string value. You write a string literal by surrounding a set of characters with double quotation marks. String literals are commonly used to set an initial value for constant or variable. For example, let greeting be hello. So as you can see, we are using a string, so we're using double quotation marks. Variable, other greeting is salutations. So as you can see, since it's a string, we are using double quotation marks. If you assign a string to constant using let, the string is immutable. It means that it cannot be changed. But if you use variable var, it is mutable and you can change it. If your string literal needs to be multiple lines, simply surround your set of characters with 3 double quotation marks. For example, let joke be 3 quotation marks, as you can see here. And Q is, why did the chicken cross the road? And A, answer to get to the other side, and print joke. So the console output is going to be Q as question, why did the chicken cross the road? And the answer A, to get to the other side. The string begins on the first line after the opening quotations and end on the line before closing the code or quotations here.